Hey everyone, it's the most wonderful time of the year. Actually, Christmas is over now. I am looking to upcycle this candle. I love Bath & Body Works candles, but this one is almost burnt out completely. But I'm also looking to get a little bit more organized. I know that many of you guys can relate to me, especially since it's the new year, and I'm going to use this container to do just that. I'm going to show you guys how to clean this candle out and how to have it become a multi-purpose container. Okay everyone, so the next step is going to be dumping out what is in here, which is the wax. This is a really great time to do it. I realize that the candle is still burning, but I want it to be that way because the wax is loose and it's melted and it's going to be a lot easier to clean out. I do not recommend dumping it into the sink, although we are by the sink. I'm going to put just an old plate that I have left over here, and I'm going to put a napkin over that just to kind of have a little bit of extra cushion to prevent the wax from going all the way down the sink. So I'm going to take this, and you want to be very careful when you're doing this because the candle jar is hot, and so is the wax, so you don't want that to fall on you. As you can see, one of the wicks already burned out, so now I'm just going to go ahead and pour this. Alright, and look, there's one that's still burning. And you pour a little bit of the last wax that's left. I'm going to actually put this on this side, and I'm going to put hot water in here because I don't want the wax to dry, what's remaining in there. The hot water is actually going to keep it from drying and is going to make it so much easier to clean. So for the cleaning process, I'm going to use good old Dawn Professional Dish Detergent. Cuts through tough grease. No, this is not a commercial for Dawn. Okay, so for the wicks, I put a little bit of Dawn in there. As you can see, not very much at all. That is going to loosen the wicks there that we've got and hopefully not be too difficult to get out. I realized what would have been a lot quicker would have been that when I poured out the wax the first time and cleaned out the wax the first time, to also have cleaned out the wicks because it would have been loose enough by then. But now we have a jar here that has no wicks and it's nice and pretty and clean, and we can now make this into a container for anything that we want. So voila, just a little bit of Dawn, a little bit of hot water, a sponge, and some elbow grease. That's pretty much it. Alright, so there is our final product. We have a candle jar that has been upcycled and is now being used for Q-tips. So it's pretty awesome. I actually have been needing a place for my Q-tips, so this is perfect. So you might be wondering, what do you do if you already have a candle that has been burnt out? I had the same situation and I kind of wanted to try a different way. I had to because when I tried to light the candle, it would not light any longer. So I just took the candle, put some Dawn, and put some really hot water in there, and I let it sit for like an hour or so. If you can tell there, all the wax is loose. And look at the wicks. So much easier to take out. So now all that's left, like this wick's one too, is to clean the candle with the same process that I used for the other. So I'm going to take off the sticker with the Dawn in hot water, the sticker on the bottom with Dawn in hot water, and I love this lid. It's really copper lid, so it's going to be even really cute for decor. So that's just another idea, you guys, that y'all can use on if you already have candles that have been burnt out. You can still upcycle those and use those for containers or even plant holders and things like that. So I love this one. I've already started on and I've pretty much finished with. I just need to find something to fill it with. I love this lid. It's so pretty. This one's kind of got a more rustic look to it. I'm super excited about that one too, because after I clean this baby out, I'm gonna get to use it as a container as well. If y'all have any other DIY ideas that you guys want me to try out or that you've already tried out that may help with organization, go ahead and share it. That would be so awesome. And let me know how your upcycling of candles works out. I'm sure that it's gonna be great.